Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. In this tutorial today we'll see how to deploy your React website to GitHub pages within few minutes. Okay, so this is my React project. So let's run it. So npm start. Okay, so now it's running. As you can see, I'm showing some of the mobiles which are in offer. Okay, so now I need to deploy this page, deploy this web to GitHub pages. Okay, so let's go to here. So I have mentioned some of the commands. So first you need to install this GitHub pages. This npm library. So now it is installed. Now what we need to do, now we need to go to github.com and we need to create our repository, new repository. We can do one thing, we can type let test product, let test offer. Okay, so this is my repository. Okay, now we need to create, this is my repository, so I need to create. Okay, so this is created now. Now what we need to do, we can push all our code to this repository. So we can go here and press all the commands. It will be pushing. Here it will pushing your initial code. Now for pushing all the code, we need to git add dot git. I have given all the commands here. You can type. Okay, now perfect. Now this code is pushed. Now all the code are pushed. Now check it here. In GitHub you can see my latest code is pushed. Now go to my code. Now I need to deploy. These are the changes which are needed in your project to make your project deployed in GitHub pages. Now we need to GitHub package.json. Here we need to add this. Okay, so this is our home page. Add this is my username. This is github.io. This is my repo name. So go to your repo name. This is my latest offer. So what we'll do, this is latest offer. Click on latest offer. Okay, now I need to save this to command. Go to here and click it under script. Deploy this to add these two commands. Now what we need to do, now you can see, now what we can directly do one thing, we can directly npm run deploy. Okay, now it will take few seconds. The code will be deployed in GitHub pages. Okay, now go to, it will take, as I told, it will take few seconds now. Okay, perfect, it's deployed. Now go to settings. Under settings, you can click on pages. Under pages, you will go here and it will take few seconds to get it reflected. Okay, so you can wait for a few seconds. If it's not ready reflected, you can go here and check your main branch and see if it is, you can save it. So now you can see now the website is reflected. Now click on the visit website. Now perfect. Now you can see it is now reflected. Now my website is deployed. This is my URL. So it is deployed in GitHub now. So these are the steps. I hope it helped you. If it really helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.